We're on the edge of a really major shift in how we use AI. I mean, forget just chatting with a bot. We're stepping into an era of true AI collaboration, where the AI doesn't just talk back to you, it actually does things. So let's dive in and see what that really means. Right now, our relationship with AI is pretty much a back and forth conversation, right? We ask a question, it gives us an answer. But just imagine this for a second. What if you could describe a final goal, like a fully analyzed report, an organized folder, a finished presentation, and then just walk away? And you come back later to find the whole project done? That's the huge leap we're talking about today. So, to really get why this is such a big deal, we first need to talk about the wall we've all been hitting with the AI we use right now. Look, current AI is fantastic for those single one-off prompts. But if you're working on something big, say analyzing a whole folder of documents to create a presentation, you're the project manager. You're the one feeding the AI info step by step, you're copy-pasting, uploading files, and guiding it through every single little task. It's powerful for sure, but the heavy lifting? Yeah, that's still on you. Well, this is exactly the problem that Anthropic is trying to solve. And their answer is a new feature called Cowork. It's designed to transform the AI from just a simple tool into what they call an agentic partner, a true teammate. So here's the fundamental difference. Cowork is built for autonomy. You give it a high-level goal, and it figures out the entire plan, coordinates all the steps, and does the actual work to give you a finished product. It's a huge shift in thinking. We're moving from just prompting an AI to actually directing it. Let's really break down what that shift looks like. Instead of that constant back and forth of prompts and responses, you just describe the final outcome you want. Instead of manually uploading every single file, Cowork can just access your local files directly. And maybe the biggest game changer of all, it can handle long, complicated tasks that would normally just time out a standard chatbot. Okay, this all sounds amazing, but how does it actually work under the hood without, going haywire on your computer? Let's get into the mechanics. This is the absolute key to making it powerful and safe. Kali runs inside something called a virtual machine, or a VM. The best way to think of it is like a secure sandbox on your computer. It's totally separate from your main operating system, which lets it run code and handle your files without any risk. So here's how a task actually unfolds. First, when you give it a project, Claude literally stops to think and creates a super detailed plan. Then it breaks that big plan down into smaller, manageable subtasks. It runs those tasks inside that secure VM, and sometimes it even spins up multiple sub-agents to work in parallel and speed things up. And finally, it saves the finished work right where you need it, and you can watch its progress the whole time. Okay, enough theory. This is where it gets really, really exciting. What can you actually do with an AI agent like this? Let's start with all those tedious digital chores that we all hate. Imagine telling your AI, hey, organize my messy downloads folder, and it just does it. Or pointing it to a folder full of receipt photos and having it spit out a perfectly formatted expense report. These are the kinds of administrative headaches it's designed to just eliminate. Now let's think bigger. This is an actual example prompt you could use. You can literally point Cowork to a whole collection of research materials, web pages, PDFs, your own notes, and ask it to synthesize all of it into one single coherent document. I mean, that's a total game changer for researchers, students, and analysts. And it goes even further than that. We're talking about generating complex Excel files with actual working formulas, not just flat data, or turning a rough meeting transcript into a professional-looking slide deck. It can even dig through your own personal notes to find connections and themes you might have missed yourself. It's pretty incredible. So by now, you're probably wondering, okay, how can I get my hands on this? Let's walk through the practical steps to get you started. All right, first up, the requirements. As of right now, Cowork is what they call a research preview. So you'll need the Claude Desktop app specifically for macOS. It's available on all the paid plans, so that's Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, and you'll need to be online while it's running. And it's really, really important to remember this is a research preview. That's code for it's still evolving. So that means there are a few limitations and some unique things you need to keep in mind as you start playing with it. Okay, so for now, it's a Mac-only thing. It also doesn't have any memory from one session to the next, so every single task is a completely fresh start. And this one is critical. You have to keep the desktop app open while it's working. If you close it, the task just stops right in its tracks. And finally, a super crucial word on safety. Because this is so powerful, you really need to be careful. Calco can and will make real changes to your files. So the most important piece of advice I can give you is this. Always, always review the plan it proposes before you click that run button. Because it's all happening locally, the history is stored on your machine, not on Anthropic servers, and it won't show up in typical company audit logs. You are the final checkpoint.
So this is the future we're stepping into. We've really moved beyond a simple tool, and now we have a genuine partner, an AI agent that can take on complex, meaningful work from start to finish. The only question left is, with a collaborative this capable, what's the first big project you're going to build together?